Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the future notification. Welcome back to Japanese language classes. In this lesson, we learn hiragana characters ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Notice that the ti syllable becomes chi and tu syllable becomes tsu. In this lesson, I will pronounce stroke order in Japanese numbers. Now, let's begin. Ich, ni, san, yon, ta. Ich, ni, chi, ich, tsu, ich, te, ich, ni, to. もう一度たちつてとたちつてと Let's practice with some words. First word is taco. Ta Ko. Taco means octopus. Second word is chika. Chi ka. Chika means underground. Third word is tetsu. Te tsu. Tetsu means iron. Fourth word is soto. So to. Soto means outside. Arigatou gozaimashita. Keep practicing until you have mastered these characters.